In this video, I'll show you how to set up Custom GPT like this one on any website. And by the end of this video, you'll have your own assistant that is ready to support your visitors 24/7. Here's the plan for this video. First, we need to connect Taku with OpenAI. Taku is a chat widget to interact with Custom GPT. And OpenAI, well, you should know it, but let's say it's a model provider. The second step is to actually training Custom GPT. And the third, we will install the widget on the website and test it out. First up, we need to sign up on Taku. As I mentioned, it's a chat widget to interact with Custom GPT, but it also makes it super easy to train and set up it. It has a free plan, so you don't even need to pay. Let's head over to taku.cool. Link is in the description, and sign up with any method you like. It's super quick. Now that we're in, it's time to connect our OpenAI account. To do that, we need to get API key from them that lets us use the API. So just click this link, and then once you're on this page, click create secret key, and then create secret key again. And when you have your key, copy it and paste it back into the Taku. Alright, this is the fun part, actually training the Custom GPT. First, enter name for your assistant. I'll call my Bob. And then we need to select a model for our assistant. Model is basically a brain of Custom GPT. I'll use GPT-4o, but you can select any model from this list. Next, we need to enter instructions for our Custom GPT to tell how to behave. I'll choose a template instruction, but feel free to write your own or ask ChatGPT to craft one for you. But we are not done yet. Let's train our assistant with custom knowledge. You can upload any files like text, PDF or Word that contains information you want your assistant to know. I'm uploading script of this video so it can help you navigate this tutorial even better. After upload, click train and you need to wait a little. Awesome, it's trained. I'll leave a link to this Custom GPT in the description so you can check it out. We're almost there, but first, let's make sure that our assistant doesn't just sit around but actively engages our visitors. Head over to the engagement page. Here you can create a pop-up that prompts visitors to start chatting with assistant. And guess what? There is a ready-made template. Just click it and then hit post. Now, let's get our assistant live on the website. Go to the installation page and you will find step-by-step instructions for different platforms. Just follow along, and if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be around to help. Now let's see it in action. Okay, as you can see, there is a new shiny button on the site and it's got a friendly pop-up inviting visitors to chat. Let's open the chat and ask it, where do I get OpenAI API key? And wait for an answer. Nice, not only it gave an answer, but even included a link. That's all thanks to the custom knowledge we uploaded earlier. But what if we ask something totally unrelated? Let's ask him to help us with math. And as you can see, it just ignored the question. We don't want this assistant doing someone's homework. And that's it, you now have fully functioning AI assistant on your website. If you like this video, click a like button and catch you in the next one.